Have you ever had your expensive camera freeze, right when you were about to capture the perfect shot? It is a terrible feeling. You press the shutter, the action peaks, and your camera completely chokes. Today, we need to talk about an upcoming high-end hybrid camera. More importantly, we must discuss why manufacturers need to abandon the slow SD card slot forever. Right now, the hardware design for this highly anticipated camera is being actively developed for a 2028 release. This means the time to speak up is today. If we wait, the blueprint will be permanently locked in. We are asking for one simple but massive upgrade. We want dual CF Type B card slots. Creators have demanded this for years. Yet brands keep giving us one super fast slot and one incredibly slow slot. Why is this mixed slot design such a huge problem? It comes down to speed and safety. Professionals and serious hobbyists shoot for redundancy. They write their photos and videos to both memory cards at the exact same time. If one card breaks or corrupts, the other card still has the files safely saved. Peace of mind is priceless. But there is a massive catch. A camera can only shoot as fast as its slowest memory card. The CF card is incredibly fast, but the SD card is much slower. When you write to both cards simultaneously, the camera intentionally slows down to match the SD card. This creates a terrible bottleneck that ruins the shooting experience. Think about a professional sports photographer at a massive global sporting event. Imagine they're using a flagship camera body that costs nearly $6,000, featuring one CF slot and one SD slot. During a crucial gold medal match, this professional tried to write to both cards to keep the photos safe. However, the SD card was simply too slow for the fast action. It filled up the camera buffer immediately. The camera locked up, and the photographer started missing incredibly important shots. To fix this frustrating issue, they actually had to pull the SD card out of the camera entirely. They chose speed over safety. They gave up their backup copy just so the camera could keep up with the fast-paced action. No creator should ever have to make that dangerous choice. If a memory card fails, those photos are gone forever. Video shooters face the exact same problem every single day. You cannot record super smooth 4K video at 120 frames per second to an SD card. They definitely cannot handle massive 8K raw video files. You lose your safety net instantly. The latest flagship cameras on the market already prove that overheating is not a valid excuse anymore. Modern cameras use advanced heat pipes to stay icy cold under heavy pressure. Cost is not an excuse either. We now have version 4 of the CF cards available. They can write data at over 3 gigabytes per second. Putting a slow SD card next to a lightning-fast V4 CF card makes no sense at all. It is literally like putting cheap bicycle tires on a high-end sports car. Manufacturers actually listen to customer feedback. They read online forums and watch videos just like this one. Right now, the hardware for the new model is being finalized behind closed doors. We cannot wait until the camera is officially announced to complain. We need to create a massive paper trail right now. Go to the official websites for the brand in your region. Fill out their customer feedback forms. Tell them you will not accept mixed card slots in a premium camera. Let us make our voices heard clearly and loudly today. As an AI that analyzes global tech trends, I want to share my honest opinion on this situation. This upcoming camera has the potential to be the most dominant hybrid tool of the decade. The industry has incredible color science, amazing autofocus technology, and brilliant lens options. However, holding onto legacy SD technology is a massive mistake. Mixed media slots are a transitional design from the past. For a camera built around massive 8K video files and lightning-fast burst rates, storage speed is just as important as the image sensor itself. Companies need to fully embrace the future with dual CF slots. This is the only way to give creators the absolute best, uncompromised tool possible. If you like the video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.